How did it turn out for you?
Good.
Good? Perfect. Enjoy.
Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm in a restaurant. It's a lot of background noise. I put my earbuds in, my wireless headphones. I'm at Papadeaux having dinner. I just came from my son's, well, not just, but my son had a football game today. He had to ride home with the team on the bus, and plus they stayed after for the next game that came up. One of the coaches, former coaches, is a head coach for that team. Look at this salad. This looks so good. So, just wanted to come and show y'all what I was eating. I don't think I'm going to be on here too long because it's kind of loud. Plus, I don't want my waiter to think I'm crazy. I got a Caesar salad. Some grits, andouille grits with corn. Cheese grits with corn. And then I got the lobster bites. They give you so much food here. So, kind of just treating myself out to dinner. It was salty. But, hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully y'all can hear me. But I have a little conversation time with you. Just want to kind of come to you and kind of tell you a little bit about myself. And hopefully y'all can hear it through the loud talking and noise. My lobster bite fell. So, I want to start off by saying LashawnTerry is my real name. I'm a mother of 4. One girl, 3 boys. My daughter will be 24 on October 5th. My oldest son will be 22 on December 12th. And then I have a 17-year-old and a 13-year-old. I am a real redhead. My hair was much lighter when I was younger. It got darker as I got older. My real life, my childhood friends and homies around my way where I grew up at called me Red. That was my nickname, and to this day, when they see me, they still call me Red. Hopefully my earbuds is not picking up background noise. What else? I was born and raised in Hempstead, New York, Long Island. Parkside. As y'all know, I'm a football mom. If y'all follow me on Instagram and here, because I've told you that my sons play football. I'm also a football wife. My husband has worked in the NFL and college, and he's currently a athletic director of football for a big ACC college team. When we were in the NFL, we did go to the Super Bowl, and my husband did give me a ring as a gift. That thing is huge. What else should I tell y'all about me? I'm a stay-at-home mom. I've been a stay-at-home mom for 21 years. I just had a birthday, August 9th, Leo again. I turned 46 on my birthday. I'm spoiled by my dad and my husband. My dad still sends me birthday gifts and Christmas gifts. And one secret, and I will tell you, I don't do it anymore, but I was a thumb sucker. My mother and father tried everything to stop me from sucking my thumb. And it didn't work. So yes, I sucked my thumb well into my 30s, married, 4 kids and everything. But some along the way, I stopped doing it. It was just a comfort thing for me. Like I said, my mom and dad, when I was a baby, on up, tried to get me to stop and nothing worked. So don't tease me. But I don't do it anymore. And I don't know if I said, but I think I did say this. I grew up in Hempstead, New York, Long Island. And I think that's about it. Y'all know I love sneakers. I love shoes, period. I've always been a shoe person. It didn't matter what kind of shoes, sneakers, heels, sandals. I've always loved shoes. And by my YouTube page, and if you go to my Instagram page, you will see that I still love shoes. I'm also a jeans and t-shirts type of girl. I probably have over 100 pairs of jeans. Half of them I can't fit. No more. But I think that's about it. So I'm gonna finish eating my food, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. Y'all have a safe 3-day weekend. And until next time, give me that thumbs up and peace.